It's funny how all of a sudden I started feeling like I'm behind. I started questioning myself. Am I doing enough? Why is my life, why does it feel like it's boring? Like I get so emotional, I get so agitated, irritated over any and everything. Let me check my calendar. Lo and behold, the week before mother ovulation. Welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica Molefe. If you're new here, welcome to the Jessie family. Over here, we speak all things beauty, makeup, lifestyle, and everything in between. So if you have not pressed the subscribe button and you feel like this is a place you might kind of like, please do yourself a favor and press the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on the videos that I upload. Today is a Saturday and it's work day for me. I have a number of things lined up, clients obviously, but I also want to squeeze in a little mommy-daughter date. And then, yeah, we'll see how the day transpires. So this is my outfit of the day. Nothing hefty, tracksuits, sneakers, headband, because I do not have the energy to actually install my wig and stuff like that. I mean, so it's kind of like a lazy day type of outfit. And then I just did a little bit of makeup just to look put together. And then scent of the day, I paired Ether by W Beauty, Woolworths Beauty, with it's an Icon by Antonio Banderas. Let's go to Gaborone. I stopped by the filling station to fuel and then fuel. I got myself hot chocolate lace pie. I am very, very, very hungry. Guess what we'll be done. Let the journey continue. Okay, we are by Motswana roadblock. I got like we are trying to curb foot and mouth. So we are by the roadblock. We are essentially going to do what is mandatory, which is dipping our shoes, and then the car is going to be sprayed and stuff like that. And then Bapa check out Dumelang. I've arrived at the studio. My client already. It's an ombre retouch. So, would she want to be part of my vlog? I don't know if it's a yes or a no. I don't know. We'll see. It's still okay. With our client, her case was a bit different because she had brows that were not symmetrical, so we had to make them symmetrical. Her brows were asymmetrical, so we had to make them symmetrical. That's why this brow is lower and then this one was higher, so we had to make them even and symmetrical, like I said. So let me show you how they look like after retouch. Okay, so I am done with my first client in ombre retouch, And I was on a call with Batoba Africa Play just to try and book, because Mabani, I had sent them a WhatsApp text to try to book. They didn't reply. Phone was really busy, blah 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 blah. So I was low-key nervous, anxious. So so we decided, let's do bowling for an hour, 3 to 4, and then maybe 4 to 5. That's when we do jumping castle. Also, I wanted to do the Kgale marketplace. But all see, the thing is, I didn't want to leave Gaborone late, because this time around I'm heading back to joining. So we'll see how everything else transpires. I am ready for my second client. It's a makeup client. Unfortunately, I cannot show her on camera because she is shy. She's shy. Please help her with the door. She's shy, so I get super. She's such a beautiful lady. I get a makeup before, but I'm not gonna show her. But say hi to my people. Hi. Yeah, she said hi. I have to change my voice so they don't they won't recognize. They won't. I am on my last client. I need to clean up and pick up, change my brush set, and then get the from here. We're going out to play with my Sophia. So finally, I have a client who decided to say yes to being part of my vlog. Her name is Thandi. So this is her before. So what do we say about one? Nothing. Okay. So that is Thandi before makeup. So basically, this is what she wants. I think let's go for this look. Exactly. Yeah, that. So and my client is done. That is her after. Okay, that's your best. Do the things that Instagram girlies do. Do. Okay, my client is done. She's so shy and so pretty. There you go. Blow a kiss or something. Perfect. I'm done with my makeup appointments. I'm now heading to Africa Play. I am already late. What else? So I guess it's just me and my daughter, because Nigata was with my PA. She has an emergency, so but I'll try my best. I'll really try my best. I'm hungry. I understand they have coffee, ice cream. I don't know. We'll see.
Hi people, like my chopsticks.
Like your chopsticks?
My chopsticks.
What's that?
How is a chopstick?
No.
Best friend.
I don't know what a chopstick is.
Well, you have to heard of it.
No. So talk to the people at You're going to Africa Play. How do you feel about that?
I feel happy because it's gonna be the second time jumping at a trampoline, because we have
at a trampoline park.
At a trampoline park, because we went to South Africa and not South Africa,
Cape Town.
Like Cape Town, and we were jumping, having fun, busy playing dodgeball.
So you're basically happy that we have the same thing in Motswana. Yeah, so she's very happy, so let's go and play.
Les billets toujours empilés. En boîte je ne fais plus la mala, mais rajoute du champagne au renard. Bébé, bébé, où t'es bébé, où t'es? Ce soir je suis pas là pour Bina, je ne suis pas le mec à Mila. Où sont passés ceux qui nous disaient de faire la queue? Où sont passés ceux qui nous disaient de faire la queue? Empilé, Michael Jackson a pilé. Elle m'a dit l'Undertaker, il est là, Michael Jackson a pilé. Obligé de revenir pour tous les allumer.
Sophia, you can decide on taking off your jersey or say, how's the temperature inside the house or the room or the hall? What if it's cold? Africa play motho ke o batla go apola jesiwa ke tsere o e apolela eng ga itse go tsididi kana go a hisa mo teng kana jang jo a tsamaye mma. Let's go play. Please add the socks. Yes. So hadi lekane ka weight. Oh, okay.
Hadi lekane ba. Yena e motlhofu e phatsa tsa teng teng.
Okay. I don't think Sophia is enjoying bowling because while Luisa Santahela and she just wants to go to the trampoline. But I'm having fun. I think I should come over here with an adult. I'm really having fun.
so much fun.
Bowling, it hits my hands, but it's comfortable.
You were losing.
Mama, wow. Well, I'm not really jealous, it's just a game.
Who said you're jealous? I honestly don't know what I got myself into, but I don't know if I'm going to finish because I have a fear of heights. I can't even think straight. Hi. Huh? Oh, so I took my L because I don't do well with heights. But Kgale and Sophia, they will enjoy themselves because I know, baby girl, no. Had to jump.
Jump.
That was a whole stash of fun. I had so much fun on the last one. But I had so much fun. I think I should come here with an adult because Sophia and Zenya under pressure.
You're the one that's so scared.
This is the champion of the challenge because this man, he's not a boy, this man. So I think from here I'm going to the Kgale food market. I don't know, we'll see. But my time here is over. Let's see what I want to do in the next hour. specifically came here for Nigerian food. I want to try it out. Sophia and I are the cake.
I'm hungry.
Huh?
I'm hungry.
We are both hungry. We are both hungry. All of us here are hungry. We have a bit of a situation. I want a goosey soup. We're gonna be doing. I want a beefy. Sicilian thing here like jollof rice and chicken. So I'm thinking, let me just have that for now because I'm extremely hungry. I can't even think straight. And then I'll come back for the fufu and give fufu kind of fufu I eat and the egusi because I really wanted to try those ones. So I'm still here waiting on the line. Hey, who is the line? No line. I keep but it is what it is. I'll wait. Scared. How does it taste? Ow. Okay. This beautiful lady, her name is Amantle Molefe. Coincidentally, can you believe it? That's nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Bye, baby. Bye. Okay. The night market is slightly overwhelming. Not slightly, it's overwhelming because the queues are absolutely long. They're so long. Hey, just the thought of where my 30 minutes where dijo. I don't know. I think my bad on my side because I also came in slightly late. I think it would be of great advantage if I had arrived here around maybe before, to take advantage of the scenery. Because jollof rice is so I didn't, get to fully experience the night market hela sente. It's slightly crowded. Hey, so he will go back to just the thought of it. Okay, now I've decided I'm going back to joining. I'm going back to joining, Mama. I want to be with my husband.
Mama, no.
I'm going back to joining. Na kohona na ke 9. So ke go tsena ka 11 ke tla tsamaya ka 80. So yeah.